Hello guys, it's Natalie, and today I will be doing a video on Alexa picks my slime ingredients. So what this video will be about is I will ask Alexa to pick a number between 1 and 2, or 1 and 3, 1 and 4, or 1 and 5, and she will pick a number, and whatever, like, this number has 4 on it, so if she picks 4, I get this glue. So yeah, so let's just get started. So let's do a practice test on Alexa just to make sure she's working. So, Alexa, play music.
Here's a new album you might like by Crowder. I Know a Ghost.
Alexa, turn off music. Alexa, sing me a song.
Let's make paper aeroplanes, fly them round the summer sky. Let's make paper aeroplanes.
Okay, whatever that was, but let's do one more test on Alexa. Alexa, turn off. She gets me frustrated sometimes. Okay, what should we ask her? Alexa, how old am I?
Only you know.
Okay, I think she's ready. So let's move on to the first round. So I have all my glues. I have a gallon of Elmer's white glue, which is number 1. I have this blue clear glue, which is number 2. I have some just colored glue, which is 3. Glitter glue, which is 4. And the last one is just like the other blue one, clear glue but pink, and this one's 5. So, Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 5.
Your random number between 1 and 5 is 3.
3. So I get the red glue. Sorry, my face is kind of cut off. But I have my red glue here. I took off the Post-it note. So I'm just going to pour in this red glue. Nothing's coming out. We might have to do another round. Oh, something. A little bit's coming out. Okay, I think we're going to do another round so I can mix this glue with some more glue just to make a bigger slime. So I had to switch things around. The white glue is still 1, the blue glue is still 2, but the pink clear glue changed to 3, and the glitter glue changed to 4. So, Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 4.
Your random number between 1 and 4 is 2.
2. So we get the transparent blue glue. So I'll be mixing the rest of this glue with my blue glue. My red glue. Sorry if you can hear my family. They're a little noisy, so I'm just gonna mix those together. I think it's making like a really pretty purple. I think it's gonna make it like a really glossy slime. Yep, it's glossy. So let's move on to the next round. So the next one is shaving cream or body lotion. So I will ask Alexa which one she wants. Alexa, pick a number between...
I'm not sure.
Okay. I didn't ask you a question, but... Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 2.
Your random number between 1 and 2 is 1.
Okay, I wanted the lotion. I got shaving cream. I'm fine with that, so let's just put it on in. I'm not going to put too much. So yeah, just gonna mix that in. It's gonna make a little bit of a lighter purpley color. 1 second. Okay. So I'm just mixing it. I made a very light purple. I really miss the other type that I had because I like that better, but I'm fine with this one. So let's move on to the next round. So the next round is the like fine glitter versus, not versus, but, or the like these little flakes. I don't know if you can see them. Okay, those like blue and purple flakes. I try to go with the color of the slime, and then I have these purple glitters, light purple glitters. So, Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 2.
Your random number between 1 and 2 is 1.
Okay, she loves the number 1. So let's add that in. So I'm liking the slime so far. I am adding in the glitter. I love mixing in glitter. It's so satisfying. So here's a little bit of satisfaction, if that's even a word. Okay, so let's move on to the activation. So for activator, I use not water, but it's like a mixture of contact lens solution, water, and baking soda. So before I use it, I have to shake it up. Oops, sorry. 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. I'm just mixing. Well, not technically mixing, but yeah, so I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. This activator isn't too strong, but it's not too light, if that makes sense. I don't know if that does, but yeah, so it's coming together pretty good. And when the slime starts to like unstick from the sides, that means that it's coming together. So yeah. Wait 1 second. Sorry, that was my mom. But I am just kneading with my hands right now. There's still slime on the spoon, but sorry if you can hear my little sister and my mom. I guess they're like drying their hair or something, but need one hand so I can touch the phone, because I video with my phone most of the time. But I really like how the slime is turning out so far. So I'll see you when it's a full slime. So here is the finished slime. It has purple glitters. And it's purple. It has purple glitter, fine glitter. And yeah, so tell me if I should do another Alexa Picks My Slime ingredient. And if you think I should, comment in the comment section down below if I should do it with like more different types of ingredients or just like another one of these. So yeah, but I really like this slime. Please share this video with your friends, family, cousins, mom, dad, grandpa, grandma, anybody. Like, subscribe. Well, if you like the video, like it and subscribe for more videos. But will hit the notification bell for more videos. And yeah, so